If you have a pet at home, do you know what to do if there's ever an emergency? Well, the Truckee Meadows Community College is hoping to help clear up some of those questions. Its Workforce Development and Community Education Department is now offering more than 225 non-college credit classes between January and April, including pet emergency response. Participants will learn about different pet behaviors, what to do for your pet during natural disasters, and how to stock a pet first aid kit. The course also teaching you how to do CPR for your furry friend.
They come in, they learn to differentiate what's an emergency, what's not an emergency, or what might be less urgent. And then if there is an emergency, ways of handling that or steps to take before they can get their pet to the veterinarian.
Mindy Warley says the class is welcome not only for pet owners, but also dog sitters or doggy daycare business owners. If you'd like to attend the 3-hour course, it's happening on February 21st from 6 to 9 p.m. at TMCC.